When Bavarian engineering excellence meets Swiss tuning artistry, something extraordinary emerges. Designed by Vecta, the 2025 BMW 5 Series G90 Mansory Edition is not just a refined luxury sedan, but also synonymous with top-tier performance. Mansory's signature craftsmanship, combined with Vecta's delicate touch, creates a machine that attracts attention whether gliding through the city skyline or navigating mountainous curves. Every surface tells a story of precision and power. Mansory's widebody kit adds muscular confidence while preserving BMW's signature elegance. Exposed carbon fiber on the splitter, skirts, and diffuser isn't just for show, it's functional, cutting weight and improving aerodynamics. Custom 22-inch forged wheels complete the stance, giving the 2025 BMW 5 Series G90 Mansory Edition by Vecta an unmistakable presence. Under the hood, Mansory's performance division redefines limit. The twin-turbo engine delivers thrilling power with German reliability, while the tuned exhaust and recalibrated suspension balance aggression and comfort perfectly. Experience the art of performance crafted by Vecta. Step inside and discover Mansory's interior craftsmanship philosophy. Every surface has been meticulously crafted, premium leather with contrasting stitching, carbon fiber trim pieces instead of standard materials, and special aluminum accents throughout. The seats feature Mansory's signature embroidered logos on a quilted pattern, while illuminated door sills offer passengers a special welcome. BMW's curved screen is preserved, but now surrounded by special materials that elevate the entire cabin atmosphere. Technology integration reaches new heights. BMW's latest iDrive system manages everything intuitively, while the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system creates acoustic perfection. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras provide confidence, while the head-up display keeps important information at eye level without distracting you. The G90 platform offers significant improvements for those seeking both performance and efficiency: enhanced structural rigidity, improved weight distribution, and the latest hybrid technology options. Mansory's modifications complement these engineering advances rather than compromising them. Who would choose the 2025 BMW 5 G90 Mansory? Executives who want to stand out, enthusiasts who appreciate craftsmanship, and those who reject ordinary luxury. Depending on the level of customization, this model, which can reach six-figure prices, is a serious investment in the automotive sector. The real question isn't whether Mansory transforms the BMW 5 Series, but whether you're ready for a sedan that completely redefines executive performance. Are you ready for this? Let's discuss in the comments.